The girls in these social streets have been like chirping about this product here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the First Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. So before I get into this video, guys, you know what to do. Like this video. If you are not already, subscribe for the ride, turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I upload another video, and let's get into this one. Honestly, guys, I actually really love the concept of this brand. First Day Cleansing Balm is just basically supposed to help you melt away makeup and impurities from your face. This is supposed to be what you use in place of like a face wash, I believe, in the process of dissolving the day or night off your face. This product is not supposed to be stripping at all. It does have eucalyptus oil and vitamin E, so obviously these are going to be the components that are going to help to maintain that moisture and the natural balance in your skin. I'm so excited. Why am I this excited, please? As someone who takes off their makeup usually with oil, I like this made like the what this just makes sense to me. Okay, this is obviously right up my street because it is an oil-based formula, but the trick is that it is supposed to dissolve and remove the makeup without leaving your skin feeling oily. So I'm really hoping that this is, you know, all that it is hyped up to be. I absolutely love this packaging. I'm not a pink girl, but I love the packaging. I'm not gonna lie, it's pink and girly, but it's not like childish, you know. Just ignore me, I'm trying to be grown out here, okay? It does say massage into dry skin, wet fingertips, and continue to massage, then rinse. It does say to stay away from the eyes, and it is 50% recycled plastic, which, you know, we're all here for, you know, all the, it's the environment, you know. Look after the environment, girl, okay? I'm not gonna lie, like, skincare products really do it for me, so I'm excited. When I was reading up on this product online, it says take a dime-sized amount and massage into the skin, and it should turn into like this, you know, milky formula that then starts to dissolve away the makeup, and then you can just wipe it away. So I'm gonna do exactly that, and then I'm gonna wash my face, and then I'm gonna tell you guys how it feels. I'm gonna be 100 with you guys. We work very hard for our coin, so we need to know that what we're spending it on, the products that we spend it on, actually work. Granted, everybody's skin is different, everybody's going to react differently, so do, you know, apply caution. I'm not on here trying to be a beauty guru. I'm just like you. I want to know, you know, what's the deal with these products. So I'm basically trying them, and you guys are able to see me trying them, and I'm, you know, we're girlfriends, you know, just we on the phone, girl, and I'm trying this new product, and I'm about to tell you what it's doing, okay? I'm a little too hyped for my own liking right now. So the first thing I'm noticing is it is a solid product, okay? So it's not something, it's not creamy yet. I don't feel like vitamin E is something that you can usually smell, so I'm not too concerned about the fact that I can't smell that. But you can definitely smell the eucalyptus. It is very subtle, even though I wouldn't mind. I'm very much one of those people that likes to smell a scent or two within their skincare products. I know some people are very like, you know, funny about that. Some people don't like scents, or to know that there's any other anything or perfume or anything in their skincare products. There have been some skincare products that I definitely can't use because there's a scent, okay? But I think there's a difference between like a scent from an oil and then like a scent from a perfume. So I definitely know that I can't use any skincare products that have got a scent from a perfume. It reminds me a little bit of, you know how coconut oil, when you get it and it's solid, and then when you put it in your hands and it kind of, you know, it connects to the heat from your body, it then starts to melt. That is what it's doing now. So I'm gonna get a dime sized amount from it. Okay, hopefully that is enough. That is how much I'm going to be using. It says to put it on and massage it in. Ooh, okay. Ooh, you know what, I haven't used face products with eucalyptus before. You can see that it's already breaking down. Wow, that's fast. It's more than breaking it down, it's actually melting, you know, the foundation of my skin. I don't want to zoom you guys in too much because I don't want to lose the light. I'm in the bathroom, so it's that very funny kind of light. This is actually feels like it's actually doing it quicker than what like ordinary oil would do. I'm gonna do it over my brows. The NYX Thick It Stick It product actually sets your brows, so it isn't called stick it for no reason. Your brows actually do, you know, set into place. So I want to see if this is going to take a while to come off. I love that as soon as you put this on your skin, it immediately gets to work. So I'm going to make sure I really go in and do like circular motions. This is what I would normally do to remove my makeup. I'm going over my lips because, you know, why would you leave your lips out, you know? And then I'm also going to do down on my neck because I also, you know, there's makeup. How can you forget your neck? You can't wash your face, and it's like them people that wash their body and not their legs, you know? That's crazy. I'm going to be real quick and remove this from my eyes. I just wanted to get a close up. So as you can see, it has really lifted that makeup off. You saw, like, as soon as I put it on my skin, it like lifted the makeup straight away, and I think that's great because that just makes it so much quicker. It's certainly going to speed up your, you know, your the process of removing your makeup. I feel like my skin feels really, it actually does feel really nice and clean. Yes, there's still some oil residue, but I have only wiped over once. But considering I've only wiped my skin over once, I feel like, sorry, I've got a bit of a burn there, guys, because I just relaxed my considering I only wiped my face over once, I feel like it feels really good. I could easily just use this, wipe my skin over and go to sleep. And I'm one of those people that, like, I need to, like, I always feel like I need to go in and do like a good clean, but I could easily just go to bed like this because my skin feels clean. Okay, so the skin is feeling good, honey. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wash off, I'm just gonna wash the rest of my face. Actually, guys, you know what? It's actually beginning to dry. I just looked into the mirror because the mirror's over there. It's actually beginning to, you know, just kind of like seep into my skin, the remaining oil. Minimum, I wash my face twice, okay? So I only wash my face once because, like I said, even though there was some oil left behind from the balm, firstly, it's important to note that I only used one wipe to sort of clean everything. So really, you're cleaning it, but you're also kind of moving the oil around your skin. And even in doing that, I could feel that my skin felt the type of clean that it feels, you know, when you wash your face. You're gonna have to try this to know what I'm talking about. Obviously, this is something that's supposed to replace your normal face wash. I don't know that this would be enough to just say, you know, like, so for example, when I rinsed my face before I put the soap on, and for someone like me, I still need to apply soap. But I can honestly say, even when I just wiped over my skin felt clean despite there still being some oil left over on the skin. So I would say if you're somebody who doesn't like to use soap and you only wanted to use this and then just to rinse this off and, you know, allow whatever moisture was left to be left on your skin, then you could absolutely do that. I'd probably wipe my face over more than once though, but yeah, I chose to obviously rinse my face with soap because I want to make sure that I'm being thorough. But guys, I can honestly say I love this product. It's a personal preference. It's a personal, you know, thing when it comes to how much you want to spend on your self-care and your beauty products. So it is between 16 and 18 pounds for this product. I will link it below on the screen here now so that you can see. But honestly guys, I absolutely would use this in replace of my normal skin oils that I would use to remove my makeup from my skin. Here is the close-up. As you can see, my skin's looking real nice and fresh and, you know, all that good stuff, honey. Yes. Would I say it's worth a try? Absolutely, buy it and give it a try. Comment down below what your thoughts and what your feelings are on this product verse. Is it worth the hype? Do you feel like it's worth the hype? Because I can only give you what my account of it is, what my experience of using this product is. I personally love it, but I'm also someone who uses oils anyway to remove makeup from my skin, so I really appreciate the concept of this formula. But yeah, let me know what your comments are guys. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe for the ride, turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I upload another video, honey, and I'll see you in another one.